Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of people worldwide: headaches. Whether it's a dull ache or a throbbing pain, headaches can really put a damper on your day. Now, I know what you're thinking, not another headache video, but trust me on this one. We're going beyond the typical advice and exploring some natural remedies that can provide real relief. These are things you can easily incorporate into your daily routine for a more holistic approach to headache management. Remember, I'm not saying ditch the over-the-counter pain relievers altogether. If you're experiencing severe or persistent headaches, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions. But for those occasional headaches, let's explore some natural ways to find relief. All right, let's kick things off with the foundation of good health: hydration. You've probably heard it a million times, but drinking enough water is crucial for countless bodily functions, and that includes preventing headaches. When we're dehydrated, our brain tissue actually shrinks a bit, and that can trigger those dreaded headache sensations. Think of it this way: your brain is like a sponge. When it's properly hydrated, it's plump and functioning at its best. But when it's dehydrated, it's like that sponge all shriveled up, and that's when you start feeling the pain. So how much water should you be drinking? Well, the general recommendation is 8 glasses a day, but that can vary depending on your activity level, climate, and overall health. A good rule of thumb is to listen to your body and drink when you're thirsty. And it's not just about plain water either. You can also stay hydrated with other beverages like herbal teas and fruit-infused water. Just be mindful of sugary drinks, as those can actually dehydrate you. Now, I know what you're thinking. Drinking more water isn't exactly a groundbreaking remedy, and you're right, it's not. But that's the beauty of it. It's such a simple yet effective way to prevent headaches. So many people underestimate the power of hydration. They pop pills when a simple glass of water could have prevented the headache in the first place. It's all about those small, consistent habits that make a big difference in the long run. So make it a habit to carry a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day. Keep it filled up and take sips regularly, especially if you're spending time outdoors or engaging in physical activity. You can even set reminders on your phone if you need that extra nudge. Trust me, your brain will thank you for it. Staying hydrated is the first step towards a happier, headache-free you. Let's move on to another natural remedy that's both effective and enjoyable: essential oils. Now, essential oils have gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. They offer a natural and often very pleasant way to address various health concerns, including headaches. When it comes to headaches, 2 essential oils stand out: peppermint oil and lavender oil. Peppermint oil contains menthol, which has a cooling and soothing effect that can help relax those tense muscles in your head and neck that are often contributing to your headache pain. Lavender oil, on the other hand, is known for its calming and relaxing properties. It can help ease anxiety and stress, which are common headache triggers. It's like a mini aromatherapy session for your head. Now, how do you use these essential oils for headache relief? It's super simple. You can add a few drops of peppermint oil or lavender oil to a diffuser and let the aroma fill the room, creating a calming and therapeutic atmosphere. If you prefer a more targeted approach, you can dilute a few drops of the essential oil in a carrier oil, like coconut oil or almond oil, and gently massage it onto your temples, forehead, and back of your neck. The act of massage itself can help relieve tension, and the essential oils add an extra layer of therapeutic benefit. Just be sure to do a patch test first to make sure you don't have any sensitivities to the oil. And here's a bonus tip. You can even add a few drops of peppermint oil to a bowl of hot water and inhale the steam. This can help open up your sinuses and provide relief if your headache is accompanied by congestion. Essential oils are a great natural remedy to have on hand for those moments when a headache strikes. They're easy to use, smell amazing, and can provide much-needed relief. Let's talk about ginger, a spice that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its various health benefits. And when it comes to headaches, ginger can be a real game changer. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogals, which have potent anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds work by blocking the formation of certain chemicals in the body that cause inflammation and pain. So, how do you harness the power of ginger for headache relief? One of the simplest and most enjoyable ways is by brewing yourself a cup of ginger tea. Simply grate a small piece of fresh ginger root or use ginger tea bags and steep it in hot water for a few minutes. You can add a squeeze of lemon or a drizzle of honey for taste. Sipping on this warm and soothing beverage can work wonders in easing headache pain, especially if your headache is accompanied by nausea, which ginger is also known to help with. And here's a pro tip. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even try adding a pinch of cayenne pepper to your ginger tea. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which has analgesic properties that can help numb pain receptors. But remember, a little goes a long way with cayenne pepper, so start with a small amount and adjust to your taste. Ginger tea is not only a delicious beverage, but also a powerful natural remedy for headaches. It's a great alternative to over-the-counter pain relievers, especially if you're looking for a more natural approach. So next time a headache strikes, reach for a cup of ginger tea and let its soothing properties work their magic. Now, let's talk about magnesium, an essential mineral that plays a vital role in over 300 bodily functions, including muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and you guessed it, headache prevention. Magnesium deficiency is surprisingly common, and it's often linked to headaches, especially migraines. When our magnesium levels are low, our blood vessels can constrict, leading to reduced blood flow to the brain and triggering those throbbing headaches. So, how do we ensure we're getting enough magnesium? Well, one way is through our diet. Incorporating magnesium-rich foods into our meals can make a big difference. Some great sources of magnesium include leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale, nuts and seeds like almonds and pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Avocados and bananas. Another way to boost your magnesium intake is through supplementation. Magnesium supplements are widely available in various forms, such as magnesium citrate, glycinate, and oxide. It's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplements to determine the right dosage for you. Now, here's a little tip. If you're prone to muscle cramps or tension headaches, you can try applying magnesium oil topically. Magnesium oil is simply magnesium chloride flakes dissolved in water. You can massage it into your shoulders, neck, and temples for a relaxing and therapeutic experience. Just be aware that magnesium oil can sometimes cause a tingling sensation on the skin, which is normal and usually subsides quickly. Maintaining adequate magnesium levels is crucial for overall health and well-being, and it can play a significant role in preventing those pesky headaches. Let's explore the ancient practice of acupressure, a technique that involves applying pressure to specific points on the body to relieve pain and promote healing. Acupressure has been practiced for thousands of years in traditional Chinese medicine and is based on the belief that energy, or qi, flows through specific pathways in the body called meridians. By applying pressure to these acupoints, we can stimulate the flow of qi and restore balance within the body. Now, when it comes to headaches, there are several acupoints that are particularly effective in providing relief. One of the most well-known points is called Li4, or Hegu, which is located between the base of your thumb and index finger. Applying firm pressure to this point for a few minutes can help relieve headaches, especially those that are located in the temples or forehead. Another helpful point is GB20, or Feng Qi, which is located at the base of the skull, in the hollows on both sides of your spine. Massaging these points can help relieve tension headaches and neck pain. And if you're experiencing a sinus headache, applying pressure to the point Yin Tang, which is located between your eyebrows, can help open up your sinuses and provide relief. Now, here's the best part about acupressure. You can do it yourself. You don't need any fancy equipment or special training. Simply use your fingers to apply firm, circular pressure to the acupoints for a few minutes at a time. You can even incorporate acupressure into your daily routine by massaging these points while you're watching TV, reading a book, or even just relaxing in bed. Acupressure is a safe and effective way to manage headaches naturally. It's a technique that you can use anytime, anywhere, to find relief and restore balance within your body. And there you have it, folks. 5 natural remedies to help you combat headaches. Remember, these remedies can be incredibly effective, but they're not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you experience frequent or severe headaches, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions. I hope you found these natural remedies helpful and that you can incorporate them into your own life to find relief from headaches.